Y el 3 que pega esa mirada. Esa mirada. El 3 va.
He's so pretty. Got a lot collection.
Good run, FC.
Good boy. Keep going.
Alright guys, looking right this way, everybody, right here.
I hate everything.
Okay guys, that was Faction Cat. We just are here on the backside right now just to kind of check on him after the race, and so far he's come out of it in good shape and he seemed kind of happy there with his hay. And out here on the backside you can see there's the grandstand, and I don't know if you can tell, but in the middle of the infield they have soybeans growing. This is a really interesting track. But Faction Cat today, he was so close, I think, to winning. I think he got beat by like a neck, but it was a good finish. And what I think is very encouraging was that he carried his form over from his last race, where I think he'll pretty much get another 84 by or somewhere around there, which is good news for us and for Faction Cat to keep going. So yeah guys, just wanted to come in and show you a bit of Ellis Park, and I'm about to walk over to the grandstand now and show you some more of it. So if you haven't been here, stay tuned and see. It's kind of like a little fair over there. It's really interesting. But that's all for today, guys. Faction Cat was this close, but we'll get him next time. So thanks, guys. Funnel cake time.